Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up remote lock on your Android phone. This simple feature can save your personal data if your phone ever gets lost or stolen. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to lock your device remotely using any browser, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Alright, let's get started. Grab your Android phone and open Settings. At the top, tap the search bar and type Remote Lock. From the results, tap on Remote Lock to open the settings. Now you're on the Remote Lock screen. All you need to do here is toggle the switch on to activate it. Once that's done, your phone is now ready to be locked remotely if it ever goes missing. So how do you use this if your phone gets stolen? Just get access to another phone, tablet, or computer. Open any browser and go to android.com/lock. Sign in with the same Google account linked to your lost phone. Select your device, click Lock, and you'll be able to secure your phone immediately, even if it's in someone else's hands. You can also leave a custom message and a number on the lock screen, just in case someone finds it and wants to return it. It's fast, effective, and can give you peace of mind knowing your data is safe. Are you setting up remote lock for the first time? Or did you already know about this feature? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more useful Android tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.